Take a pose over the wall. Wishes are written on a bamboo entrance to Shifen Old Street. Miss Freda ordered a lantern and we waited for a few minutes. Shifen Old Street. Shifen Old Street is really famous in making wishes come true. The area where you hang the lantern and write your wishes on it. Pose with a lantern before letting it go. 4 Adventureras from Iloilo City. Miss Cherry on a pink shirt and a blue skirt. Miss Rana on a lacy white skirt. And Miss Jean on a black top and maong pants. Another side of the lantern showing the dollar sign. The pabeba look of the 4 Adventureras. The photographer said, heart 2, heart 2, heart 2. Heart 2, heart 2, heart 2. Annyeonghaseyo. Actually, the lantern is on fire and it's moving. But yet the photographer still said, it's okay, strike a pose. You should hold it still, don't let go. Really, a lot of poses. Happy marriage and real friends. And we let it go. We really hoped all our wishes will come true. Nung nilet go mo, tapos naging happy ka. Hoping and praying that all our wishes will come true. Extreme ang happiness nung nag-let go. Credits to Miss Cherry for this picture. Omoni, is that you? Entrance of Jiantian Bridge along Shifen. Yung feeling na buti pa sila, jowa nila yung kasama. Ayan, tuloy. Napagod lang ako dito guys, kaya umupo na ako sa bridge. After nyo mag-lantern, you should visit this bridge. The view is spectacular. Napagod, nag-modeling, kaya lang may photo bomber eh. Nilakad namin from entrance hanggang dulo just to make a wish. Ayan, nas-solo ang bridge. Yun ang maganda kapag nagta-travel ka, walang pakialam sa yung ibang tourists. Very sturdy yung bridge guys, ang galing ng architecture. May pa-emote pang nalalaman, wala, na-miss ko lang boyfriend ko, haha. Never mind me, just look at the view. Thank you for watching guys, see you in my next videos.